RCB.
Super over just about to start. Pollard on strike. And away we go. Wonder start, good bowling. All right, Hardik got caught in the deep first time round. Straight to the man. Good bowling again. Third ball, first two have been excellent from Saini. Third ball's been brilliant. 2 from 3.
Never easy to bowl the super over to a big hitter like Kieron Pollard.
What Pollard wants is something he can hit straight or over extra cover. He goes straight, and it's 4. They've dived over the top of it down there at long off.
Pollard. You can see what Saini's trying to do here, and those are the fine margins and the fine lines.
Massive delivery. It's drilled the man who's just moved there, and he's taken it straight to the man. Long boundary.
Well, another full toss this time. And it's gone straight to that fielder. Kieron Pollard is out for 5, 6 for 1.
Hardik Pandya on strike. Needs to hit it long. Swing and a miss. They'll come through. Steal the single. So 7 from the over.
Batters that haven't batted for a while, Slats, Sonny. Sorry for the risk of repeating myself. These guys came in fresh-faced, not been able to pick the line or the length, but they have 7.
Kohli, de Villiers, and they need 8.
And they're facing the best.
De Villiers takes strike. Here comes Bumrah skipping in. Runs hard, Kohli. They won't come back. It's a single. Good start from Bumrah.
It's Bumrah to Kohli.
Pull shot. Man is there. Straight to him. Get rid of the throw. Single. 2 from 2. They need 6 off 4.
They got so quickly into position and pulled it away. Very good effort there by Trent Boult. Could have been a boundary.
Brilliant from Boult.
What about it?
Out.
Oh, he's out. Is he out? He's been given.
And we have a referral!
Sonny! Called it, Sonny. Let's just go upstairs.
Got behind, confirm. Yeah, confirming, yeah. Ball, ball is close to bat. Give me ultra edge for double check, please. Keep rolling. Keep rolling, yeah. Keep going, flat line. Yeah, no bat. Go to the on-field umpire, please.
Maybe some at home thinking, what about the height? Was it a wide? But it is not. Change your bats. 5 to tie it again. And then we'll go again. Bumrah has bowled 3 beauties. It's going to run away. 45, 1 bounce 4.
That was bad field placing. If you're going to bowl the bouncer, you need a deep, fine leg.
Well, I'm interested as to why he went short again. Top edge with a 45. Brilliant Yorker. Okay, scores are tied again.
Well, that's the ball that he should have bowled instead of that short ball, particularly when you do not have a fielder outside that 30-yard circle.
Here we are, last ball. There's the game. RCB have been able to keep their pressure or expel the pressure of that final ball. Composure, that's what it was all about. RCB are the victors tonight.